first book, which is here somewhere, which says The Accidental First Mover. It happened by accident, so I won't say that this is what I wanted to do and this is what happened. When there's a new wave, ride the wave, because the wave is happening and great things happen during that wave. And we started getting affiliate commissions to the tune of 30 to 50,000 rupees a day. My biggest check was 30 lakhs, but average 15 lakh rupees a day. It lasted for about a year or so, but we made good money that year.
Hi, my name is Avi Arya, father of 2 girls, 6 dogs, husband to a superwoman, a streetcar racer turned hotelier, then marketer and founder of Internet Moguls.
What up, Internet Moguls?
Hey Avi, Gaurav Gurbaxani here, and my first question to you is, tell me, what is one jhol that you've done when it comes to internet marketing? I'm calling it internet marketing, not digital marketing, because I know you've been doing this for a long time. So what is one jhol that you have done which has been like very rememberable? It could be a domain, it could be a affiliate commission, it could be some strategy that you figured out to make you money early on when you started. Excited to hear from you.
Hi, Gaurav Gurbaxani. Love you, brother. You know I love you. I remember the day when you and I were gone to the QnA club, and people said, somebody came up to me and said, your son is a very sweet boy, and he was referring to you. So I'm happy that people think that somewhere you and I look alike. You're a good looking man, and I take full pride in sharing this story with others about when I was called your dad. Okay, so Gaurav, love the question that you sent. Your question number 1 was, what was that one jhol? I had to understand jhol ka kya matlab hota hai, but I guess you mean something that good that happened. Jhol didn't like some no mess up. I hope it's not a mess up. It's something amazing that happened. So yes, I started internet marketing in the early 2000s. I didn't know what I was getting into. I didn't know it is something I can make money from. But my first book, which is here somewhere, which says The Accidental First Mover, it happened by accident. So I won't say that this is what I wanted to do and this is what happened and take credit for it. But things that happened, one of the things that happened was when I got a lot of traffic on my website for my hotels, when nobody was doing it, and every keyword would rank in the first 7 to 15 days of me writing a blog on it, I knew that I was onto something, and I quickly hired a team, and we wrote unnecessary amounts of content on travel, and all the keywords started ranking, and that site got a lot of traffic. And then we affiliated with Make My Trip and Yatra, and we started getting affiliate commissions to the tune of 30 to 50,000 rupees a day. My biggest check was 30 lakhs, but average 15 lakh rupees a day. It lasted for about a year or so, but we made good money that year. So yeah, anything is possible. When there's a new wave, ride the wave, because the wave is happening and great things happen during that wave. You may not know the end result. I think the problem is when we try to understand what the end result is going to be, try a few things parallelly, because you're young, you have the energy. Try a few things parallelly. Some things will work, but otherwise you get an amazing learning which you will be able to deploy, to consult with somebody else, say this is what I did. So nothing goes to waste, and you can monetize something right there, or with that learning you can tell other people what you experimented with later, because a lot of people are scared of experimenting, but you did experiment. Either the experiment will make you money, or to give you the experience that you can later monetize by teaching somebody else about what happened in your experiment. I hope that makes sense.
Hey Avi, my second question is, if I was ask you to give me a blueprint, 100,000k follower blueprint for YouTube, something actionable, something that if you put in the effort, you will definitely see the results. If you can guide me on that strategy, I'll definitely take you up on that.
So Gaurav, thank you very much now for asking me the second question on how you can grow 100,000 followers, subscribers on YouTube. See, I am not at 100,000 right now, but I've got a plan. My plan is to be able to create 3 videos in Hindi every single week, because seeing Hindi is rising. So I speak in English, Hindi combined. People do resonate with my message when I talk in English and Hindi, and I try to talk more about life, happiness, family, and all of that, and a little bit about entrepreneurship, and a little bit about my own experiences. I don't try to take gyan from a book and try to give it here, because all those things I have to memorize. I'm only trying to tell people what I am doing, how I am living, mistakes I am making. So the content, I never have to script it, I never have to plan it, I never have to think what am I going to say after this or before that. Everything happens seamlessly. Monday is my day. I get up at 7:30 in the morning. At 8 o'clock, I've got my 3 YouTube videos that I create for the day. Out of that, I create 6 reels for Instagram. Then I create 5 videos for WhatsApp. So that is my content for the day. And I create all of that in 2.5-3 hours. And I upload it on the drive. And we have a great editing team. They edit it and they put it all over. So right now I'm on that consistency drive. How do I get the topics? I do a research, I go to Google, go to YouTube, and I search the topics that I feel I'm talking on. Today I made 3 topics, 3 things to be successful. Keep in mind, as soon as you hit your 40s, 3 things in your 30s, 3 in your 20s. I didn't know if that's a success, it's an important thing, but I had that thought in my mind when I was going to sleep. In the morning I got up, I checked, and I saw that people are interested in these answers. I'm not thinking of the millions of views, but lots of people are still interested. And so based on my own experience, I gave the 3 points. I didn't read out, I didn't see what people like or whatever. But yes, I do give a clear call to action, which beginning. In this video, you will learn the 3 things you need to do as soon as you hit your 40s. Watch this video till the very end. So your 40s are more successful than your 30s. Something like that. So I'll give a beginning, then I'll give 3 points. Point number 1, the editor will give the point number 1 over there. Then point number 2, point number 3. So it's perfectly compartmentalized. People can see the question and the answer clearly. And then at the end, I tell them that we're coming to the end of the video. If you want more videos like this, please send me your message, tell me your name and your email. And if you want to be featured on my show, let me know in the next show what you're going to be doing. I'm giving away caps, hoodies, and the final price at the end of 2 months is going to be OnePlus 8 phone for all my engaged subscribers. So don't be a passive subscriber, engage with me, and that's how I do my videos. And I'm doing this 3 every week. We launch them on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at about 8 o'clock at night. Those are the good times for people to see what's happening, and that's what I'm going to be doing for the whole year. And hopefully by the end of the year, I'll make a rejoinder video for this video and tell you how this strategy has helped me. But I know for a fact, consistency, giving questions to answers to what people want, having a structure in your video, and talking more Hindi is not going to go wrong. So with that, that is the answer. I hope you start your videos as well. You live in Goa, you have a beautiful family, you have a beautiful life, you have a beautiful mindset. You're so easygoing. We all love you. And I believe, I know from the bottom of my heart, the world is waiting for Gaurav Gurbaxani to tell them how to live the life that he is living. So please go ahead, talk to people. And I look forward to seeing your 100K very soon. Thank you for asking these 2 questions. And all of you people, if you're watching this and you want to ask me a question about life, entrepreneurship, happiness, anything in between, dogs, anything, send me a question wherever you're watching this. Send an email to rohini@internetmoguls.com. Tell her this is the question, your question, my answer will be featured in the next Monday episode. Thank you very much for watching. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.